Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. If you really like my teaching and my efforts, please press the like button, share the videos with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell button to get the regular updates. In the last video, I have discussed how to convert a binary number to its equivalent gray code. I hope you have watched that video. If you have not watched that video, I request you to go back and watch that video and come back to this video for better understanding. In this video, I want to discuss how to convert a gray code to equivalent binary code. I will discuss all the steps involved in it, then I will discuss few examples for better understanding. So I request everyone to watch the complete video for better understanding. Now let me discuss what are the steps involved in gray to binary conversion. The MSB, most significant bit of the binary code, is equal to the MSB bit of the gray code. MSB is what? Most significant bit. Let me discuss with an example. I have the gray code which is a 4-bit G1, G2, G3, G4. I have taken a 4-bit gray code. I want to find it equivalent binary code such as B4, B3, B2 and B1. Now what they are step 1 is saying that MSB, most significant of the binary code, which is B4, is equal to MSB of the gray code, which is equal to G4. Are you able to understand? Now what is the second step? The remaining bits can be obtained such as B3, B2 and B1 by applying the XOR between the previous binary code bit such as B4. If you are finding the B3, previous bit is B4 and current gray code bit is G3. So B3 can be obtained by applying the XOR between B4 and G3. Similarly, B2 can be obtained by applying the XOR between B3 and G2. Similarly, B1 can be obtained by applying the XOR between B2 and G1. I hope you have understood. It is very simple. G4 can be obtained directly, B4 can be obtained from G4. If you want to obtain the B3, apply the XOR between these two, then you will get it. Similarly, if you want to get this one, apply the XOR between B3 and G2, you will get B2. Apply the XOR between B2 and G1, you will get the B1. I hope you have understood the procedure. Now let me discuss few examples so that whatever the doubts you have, all the doubts will be clear. Let me take a gray code as 1011. Now I want to find its equivalent binary code. So MSB will be as it is. Now 1 exclusive OR 0. I hope everyone know what is an exclusive OR. If both the inputs are same, the exclusive OR gate will give the output as 0. If both the inputs are different, the XOR gate will give the output as 1. So now if you see it, if I want to get this bit, I need to apply the XOR between these two. 1 exclusive OR 0 is what? 1. Now if I want to get this bit, I need to apply the XOR between these two. 1 exclusive OR 1 is 0. Now if I want to get this bit, 0 exclusive OR 1, which is equal to 1. So for this gray code, I got the equivalent binary code. Is it clear? Let me discuss another example. 0100. Is it clear? Can you tell me what is the equivalent binary code? If you already know the answer, please write it in the comment section. Those who don't know, let me discuss it again. 0 is there, you will get 0. 0 exclusive OR 1, you will get output as 1. 1 exclusive OR 0, you will get it as 1. 1 exclusive OR 0, you will get 1. So if you take 0, 1, 0, 0, which is a gray code, equivalent binary code is 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay, let me discuss another example. Let me take all ones. We will find what is its equivalent binary code. Okay, 1 will be 1. 1 exclusive OR 1 is 0. 0 exclusive or 1 is what? 1. 1 exclusive or 1 is 0. So this is the equivalent binary code for the given gray code. Let me check it another one. 0, 0, 0. What I will get the equivalent binary code. Okay. 0 you will get as it is. 0 exclusive or 0 you will get 0. 0 exclusive or 0 you will get 0. 0 exclusive or 0 you will get 0. So for the given gray code we got the same binary code. Okay, I hope you have understood how to convert a given gray code to its equivalent binary code. If you still have any doubts related to this concept, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts in less than 24 hours. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.